Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a common issue: are your AirPods actually charging? We'll cover several quick checks and troubleshooting steps to ensure you're always powered up. Let's jump in. Start by examining the LED indicator on the charging case. This tiny light is your first clue. A green light signifies a full charge. Amber or orange usually means the case itself is charging, or that a case is not fully charged and needs a top-up. Another easy method is to check your iPhone or iPad's display. Open your AirPod case next to your unlocked device. A pop-up animation will appear, displaying the battery levels of your AirPods and the case. This real-time update is invaluable. If you are still having issues, let's troubleshoot. First things first, is the charging cable securely connected to both the case and a functioning power source? Try a different cable or wall adapter if you can. Also, clean the charging contacts on both the AirPods and the case with a dry, soft cloth. There it is. By keeping these pointers in mind, you can prevent low battery woes and keep those tunes, calls, and podcasts flowing seamlessly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. And until next time, stay charged.